هون بخير عادن Kurdish lessons. Welcome to Kurdish lessons. As I promised you, I will answer your questions today. Waka min söz dabu, iro as a person web bersevinum, as a bersiva person webdem. Okay, I will reply your questions. U a video kedu zamaniye. It is a bilingual video, so I will speak both Kurmanji or Ingilizi, okay? So I will reply in both languages, every question. So let's see. It was very interesting. Geleki balkesh bu. Shibarku person Instagrame. Geleki shakhsi bun. So the questions from Instagram were very personal. Or person YouTubeji geleki جدي bun. We're really serious about learning languages, etc. Ibn Peishi, first of all, person Instagram. Okay. Okay. So person Peishi. Zaroken tahana. Do you have any kids? Zaroke من tunana. Zaroke من ninen. I don't have any kids. الزوجمة. I am married. الزوجمة. ليه زاروke من tunana. Oh, persek هي it's a different question. The BJ it says what are some Kurmanji phrases to use at a wedding. عارف as نزان, so you can say سر خيربة or چاوين وروني, like congratulations. If you are very hopeless about a wedding, هند كارن ببيجن خده پشماننکه. May God don't make you regret, okay? خده پشماننکه. Okay. او Prasadin, the next question. What did you study? Ta ta ta ta. Okay, so I will tell you about my education life. So, as Istanbul Mazenboom, I grew up in Istanbul, okay, not in Merdin. I was born in Merdin, as Merdin Hatem Danyaye, but ليه مالباتا من جبر سدمن عشكرة for clear reasons. For visible reasons to Barker Istanbul. Okay, we had to move to Istanbul. ما باركر اسطنبولي ودمعكو ما باركر as 4 سالي بوم 5 سالي بوم. So when we moved there I was 5 or 4 years old. So as لور هنا تركي بوم. Okay, I learned Turkey there. ومن حارتشت لور أخوان I studied everything in Istanbul. دبستان سرطایی, lycée, high school, Zaninge University. So I was a usual student. نقلكي جهاتي نقلكي تنبل. Sometimes I was very smart. Sometimes I was really lazy. جارنا ناس جهاتي بوم جارنا ناس قلكي تنبل بوم وك هر خنده كاركي وتبي رامن I remember دماكو as the lycée ده بوم when I was in high school. I was thinking من as the فكريم as if I'm جراح. I will be a like surgeon. Do you say surgeon in English? I like to do operations. Oh, جراحي مجيد, brain surgeon. I was really like a nerd probably. ليه باشا ناخذ. It was really hard. قالك زحمة بو شباركو physics من my lesson like physics. Do you say physics as نزالم? So درس عمنا physics قالك خراب. ندكت سريما. It was not entering my head, so I wasn't understanding. من فهم ندكت سريما. و باشي من لزاننجه زمان ناسخن. I studied linguistics. زمان ناسية تركي وإنجليزي. ودهمان دمدا at the same time as the Chum Institute Kurdi. I was going to Kurdish Institute Istanbul. لور من grammar خند من زمان زانيبو. I knew the language. من زانيبو بنفيسم بخوينا ومن لور خند من بري institute as هين بوبوم. I learned how to write, read. لي بانستوتية من certificate مع مستتية قلت I got the certificate like teaching certificate مع certificate مع مستتية و بشتي كومن زاننجة خلاص كر after I finished my university as شوم روسيا yes Russia تا تا تا تون. So الروسيا من درس كردي دا I was teaching كردي I was learning Russian etc. از 3 سالان روسیایی مام و 3 سالان من لزاننگه درسين كرديدان ودهمان دميدا من درسين online ددان and I was teaching Kurdish online. Yeah, so تجربة عمنا هنكرنا online يا كردي لروسيا يدا speaker من لور خانده كارديتن one as ديتم they found me not me. أري so من لسه ودبستان أخوال اسطنبول خواند وزاننجه جي لزاننجه اسطنبول لبيازته in Beyazıt it's very nice place و از چون روسیای و پاشیج روسیای هاتم من نخواست زیاده تر ببینم I was really bored there اجباري کو حوالی من تو نبون از بتنه بوم ومن برياردة I decided to come to مردين من برياردة أزور مردينة جبو ماسترا زمان سوريانكي yes not زمان كرمانجي but لور من درسين كردي دا لما مستين من لسر زمان سوريانكي وكرمانجي خبات تكرن وقت بروجيكي از جيبوان ربوم ومن لور خواهيني زمان سوريانكي كر I studied and learned سوريانكي there the classic one and ترويو لأنها از من جبير كر جبالكو as ترويو هيجي بتشكي فهمتكم I still understand a little bit ترويو لمن خواندنا زمان كلاسيك أبدا جبير كر I forgot it at all I don't know how to read classic Syriac now so if you don't use it you lose it it's a good example for me و as حاتم مرديني من دست بماستر كر I started doing my master so I moved مردين by myself with a valise with a suitcase all alone I had nothing oh my gosh it was very sad I was 22 23 and I moved here all alone yes so life it's life as هاتمver من دست بماستر I started doing my master degree so in the preparation class we learned this I knew that but we were studying classic one but it was really boring for me because after Russia پرورده یاور گلی که خراب بود the education was really bad here or مامۆستای من روسیای گەلێکی باش بوو Sergei Lozov Vladimirovich my really lovely teacher Sergei I love him a lot so and then I studied the preparation class and I decided to quit it because it was not useful for me and I was really boring and I was making my life I was earning good money with teaching Kurmanji so I said no need to do any master degree it's very stressful ومن ده بجي بعدها I quit the master degree now I am really relaxed so this is my studies okay وبرسكدن هيا بجي جبو مروف إنجليزي هين ببي ريا راحت كي جانا to learn English what is the comfortable way ريان راحت توننا no comfortable ways so I am still studying English because it never ends it's a language so you never finish learning a language unfortunately so if you are asking this question it means you don't want to learn if you want to learn you have to know that it never ends you learn everything new every day okay هكا هون دخوازن زمانك هين ببن هين بون خلاص نابع هين بون ناقده دوی هون حتى forever جبو هين بوني آماده بن okay و پرسادن تو دکاری قالا کار خوب که بکرتاسی so can you talk about your work a little bit so کار من چیه what's my work از مامۆستەیە کورمانجیمە گەلێک کەس دەفکرن کو از مامۆستای ئینگلیزیمە بژبەر ئینستاگرامێ so many people think I teach ئینگلیزی not کورمانجی but it's the other way around از کوردی هین دکم از ئینگلیزی هین ناکەم so I tried when I was younger but no as na مامۆستای ئینگلیزیمە I can practice the language with someone but not teaching I mean, I love teaching Kurmanji, not Ingilizi. So that's why when people ask me, oh, can you teach us Ingilizi? We want to learn Ingilizi. Can you give us lessons? As the no, as Nikaram, I cannot. It's not my job. So as درسين Kurmanji dedim. Prania Karen min, most of my students, je dervene. So when in Kurmanji we say je dervene, we mean they're from Kurdistan. Okay, je dervene, like from outside, from another country. So most of them are Prania wan je Avrupa'ye, je Amerika'ye, İngiltere'ye, Dubai, İsrail, نظام Japon, Japon Çin هي. So قال لك جو قال لك ولات هنخن كارن من هنا. Prania wan ne Kurden, so most of them are not Kurdish. Le mal like malbata jnawan, malbata mere wan Kurde. So jibo malbaten khwe, jibo khizmen khwe, دخوازن هني كرمانجي ببن. وهن خندكارن من كردجي هنا. I have some Kurdish students as well. Le FG, لألمانيا, لأوروبا, لإنجلترا مزن بونه. Grew up in these countries. وكرمانجي نزانن. Or دزانن لتنه فهمدك نكارن ببايف. They cannot talk, so I teach them speaking. I teach them the language. I teach them grammar, reading, writing. So I teach Kurdish basically, okay, to foreigners and to Kurds living outside of the Kurdistan, okay? Oh, I have a team. So we have an IT. So my husband, he's doing the IT works. So he's doing everything about website. And I have Dilan. Dilan is one of my friends and our teachers. So she mostly works with kids, but with people who want to learn English, who want to learn Kurmanji via Turkish. So I teach Kurdi like in English, right? I use Ingilizi to teach Kurdi, but she uses Turkish to teach Kurdi. But of course, she has some students speaking English as well. Ronya is our Sorani and Bahdini teacher. These days she's really busy, so no courses for her. But in the future, we will do courses with her as well. Oh, before I had another teacher, Malik, but he's not working with us anymore. Oh, how and why did you decide to teach Kurdish? So this is a nice question. Chuma, Tebi Raman, I still remember really good. I was finishing university. It was my last year. Salamna dawibu u havinbu. Okay, havinbu. هندك ما بو as زانجي خلاص بكب. So I was just almost finished university. I didn't know what to do. وفهمكر من نزاني بس شبكب. شبركو زمان ناسي قال لك تشتو دكاري بكي. وروجكي من جوخش كاخورا قلت ليلى من قلت أزيرو بلكي بكم I will open a page and I will teach Kurmanji there but in English. She said, there are many accounts like this, but it was 2017 8 سال بري and she was lying and I knew that من زاني بقودرها وعندك. Then the page was I am learning Kurdish. The one who follows me really old. I was in Facebook mostly or Instagram, and then I decided to change the website, like the name of the account. So I changed this Kurdish lessons. So من جخوش كاخورة قلت I told my sister as a روبالي كيفكم I will open a page وaz إنجليزي as a كردين بكم بإنجليزي وإنجليزيام نباشبو. I was not speaking English very good, so I was trying to improve my English with helping people, okay, people who are trying to learn Kurdi. So at the beginning, I was teaching Kurdi, like we were doing exchange, but it was for free because my aim was to improve my English skills, okay? So I remember like first year, I gave many free lessons just to practice my English skills. وبشتي نوي صالي زفستاني أنجي بايزي أسجم روسياي. So من بخيراوي روبالي with the help of that page من الروسياي جخورة مع مستيق did I found a teacher on Facebook. So I should give a TED talk about this topic. I found a teacher on Facebook. I went to Moscow. Oh, it was winter and my mom was crying. She would go, Neche, Neche, Istanbul مزنة تدشي cool. Is there any other cities bigger than Istanbul? Where are you going? Then go, oh, Istanbul, Pachuca. So, with the help of this page, the aim was to improve my English skills with teaching Kurdi, and then Kurdi teaching Kurmanji became my main work. So now I make my life with this account with like teaching, giving lessons. So this is how it started. وفكر كارم شهر استكري. و هفالك gotie tulkuyi nahal ku dere dijî mamoste dizanim ku tu li diasporayî ji ber çi kengî çû. So gelek kes difikirin ku ez li Avrupayê dijîm. Na, ez li Avrupayê najîm. Ez li Mêrdînê dijîm. I live in Merdin, not in Europe, not in US. In Merdin? Yeah, I used to live in Moscow, but it was long ago. So naha ez li Mêrdînê me, ez li Mêrdînê dijîm. Mêrê min ji vir e, malbata mêrê min li vir e, gundê me jî li vir e, piçekî dûr e lê li vir e. So ez li Mêrdînê me, ez ne li diasporayê me. Ez dibêjim ji ber axaftina İngilîzî tu kes bawer nake ku ez li Mêrdînê me. So everyone, like no one believes that someone speaking İngilîzî this way cannot live in Merdin. Why not? It's a Nabasha, this idea is not good at all. So there are many people living here and they speak English very well, better than me. ليه؟ از نل أوروبا ما نل diaspora ما از لمردين ما. أري. Your village name. So Gundemen, my village, Nezi Karboranaya, very close to Karboran. Okay, so I don't want to give the exact name of my village. Sorry, it's just for security, guys. You never know. So Nezi Karborane. If you go Karboran, there are many nice villages like mine. So you will see many of them. So go Karboran. Okay. So these were the questions from Instagram. So it's getting around 20 minutes. As دبيجم as liver بسكنم و ام هدي فيديو خلاص بكن جباركو person يوتيوب پرانیا وان لسر هنبونا کرمانجیه انجی هنکرنا کرمانجیه هنبونا سورانی etc. جبارو از دخوازم فيديو يكدن لسر 1% چکم اف پرس بچکی پرسن جیانا من بونی بیوگرافیک لی از دخوازم جبو پرسن یوتیوب فيديو يكدن چکم so قال لك سباس جبو دما شكرنا جبو برسن و اري برسن اوكي بون اري لسر زاروكن من انتنا ولسر خوندنا من لسر هنكرنا كردي وتولي كوتجي اري قال لك سباس روجا و ايفارا و دما بمين خوش و جبيرنكن if you are interested in learning Kurdi حكي هون دخازن كرمانجيا خو بيش بخن to improve or start from very beginning or elementary so check our website kurdishlessons.com and if you are looking for some books for your kids I created 2 activity books and many vocabulary books with nice illustrations I will put them here so they are on Amazon if you write Paven Mini and Peishi or Pertuken Kurmanji, Kurdish books for children, or you can find the link below. Okay? Kellex pass Roja Bumina Khosh. Paka paka بخاطر